Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a TEMU order that I have. It's kind of a hodgepodge. It's a whole bunch of different paintings, and you'll see what I mean in a moment. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe as well, I really appreciate it. So today, as I said, it's not specific topic. Honestly, I think I might have said it in my last video before. My TEMU hauls are getting a little smaller because I am waiting for my new order, but oh my goodness, TEMU, go a little faster. So that's why I'm still waiting, and I still have a couple that I still haven't shown. So when I was digging through and finding something that kind of relate to each other, it did not, but that's fine. They're still paintings. So for this one, I'm not, majority of us grew up watching Disney cartoons, so I've seen the movies and all of that, but I'm not a big, collector of Disney items or anything. But when I saw this painting, I fell in love because I actually seen somebody unbox it, but a larger version. And when I saw this one on TEMU, they had the larger version, but I couldn't really afford it. So I got a smaller one. And I really do like it, though. And when you receive the paintings, they always come in those plastic wraps that you saw me remove. I'll just unfurl it. And include the diamonds and the standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is pour the diamonds into the tray. And then get the pen, press it into the wax. Press it on the diamond, press it on the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, just in case you lose the tray, or if it breaks or chips or anything, your next painting is gonna have one too. Don't worry, they always have you covered. And these are the diamonds. Ooh, I kind of like these really dark tones. And there's a lot of gray, there's a lot of browns. Big old packet of white I kind of see in the middle. Oh, I kind of like this one. I've seen the painting doesn't have a lot of colors, so that's why I was kind of expecting it to be a darker tone, but I do like it though. And this is the painting. So it is Belle from Beauty and the Beast. So not so much that I love Beauty and the Beast movie, I just love Belle. I love that she's a big reader, and that's why I really liked her when I watched the movie. And the library she sees when she goes to Beast Castle, oh my goodness, that is my favorite scene in the whole movie because I love that library. I wish I had that library. Maybe next time. So when I saw this one, as I said, this is probably my favorite Disney character, I think. I don't know, I can't pick a favorite one because all the different Disney princesses and all that have their kind of, what their thing is, but for her, it's that she's a big reader, and I love that. And I know that there's a lot of silhouettes of all the different Disney princesses. This one I could recognize her in a heartbeat, mostly because of the roses, the book, and this is, I believe, is a little silhouette of the beast. I really love this one, and I love that they kind of put a little bit of brown for her hair, which I kind of liked as well. When I saw it, I saw, ooh, maybe they're trying to show, just in case you don't recognize, this is her. So, and I really like it. I'm so ignoring the black background. Let me see. It's our lovely 310. But I really love how it contrasts with the light green. So I'm a big fan of it. And I love the silhouettes of the roses as well. And I love it also in her, I believe it's her dress. It has a little teapot and all of the little different characters at the bottom. Really do love this image. So some information about the painting. It is N16 and is a 20 by 30 and it's 15 colors. And the legend is all capitalized letters. Ooh, thank goodness. No hidden symbols somewhere in the dark background. And I really do like it. As I said, I've seen this image in a larger size, but myself, I could only afford the smaller one. And I like 20 by 30s. So I still know it'll still look really beautifully, even though it's kind of a smaller size. And for this painting, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen. If Belle is also your favorite as well. So let me just put this aside real quick. My table's getting kind of full of paintings, so if you hear something fall, apologies for that. Means my poor painting. Sorry, my poor table's already hit the limit. So that was my smallest painting. For my rest of my paintings, they're a little bit bigger. So they're 30 by 40s, I believe. So as I said, they're just random ones that I grabbed from the stash I have. I have all of my new paintings in a box. So when I'm going to do kind of a video, or if I saw, oh, this is all from the same order, I try to keep them all together. So I can say it's a TEMU order. So let me put that aside real quick. And this is the painting. Let's just unfurl it real quick. This canvas is a little sturdier. I noticed it when I was unfurling it. Ooh, that is really tough. Same thing. The diamonds, the standard kit. And ooh, the first thing I saw was that little bubblegum pink. I really like it. Love the little peachy colors. Oh, this one's a little bit thicker. There's a lot of the light blue, and I kind of like that. Let me see if I can kind of focus it a bit for you. There we go. Ooh, I really like these. I love that. As I said, I love that light. It's kind of really light mint. I love that. My favorite kind of color. You can see here in the packets, there's some darker tones in the middle. Ooh, I really like that. I say that a majority of my diamonds that I love them, but it's a lot of the colors I do love. And this is the painting. It's a cello in a bed of flowers. I believe they're roses on water. I don't know why it's on water, but I kind of love the contrast of it. And you give me one moment. One of my paintings is falling. Give me one moment. Sorry about that. Yeah, it was trying to get away. I don't like mixing up the diamonds because I'm worried I'm going to put the wrong diamonds on the painting. So that's why I'm usually careful. As I said, my table is kind of at its limit. And yeah, oh my goodness, I really love the shape. And I did pick this one specific because I love the cello. I haven't had the opportunity to learn it, but I believe a little further down the line, hopefully, I can find a way to, well, first of all, afford a cello because they are not cheap. And I could probably use YouTube to kind of learn how to play. I know how to read music, so I've got half of it done. But I do want to learn, and I love the shape of it, and I just love the cello. I love the sound of it too. And I love the sky too. There's a light sky with some clouds, and then it's here kind of reflecting on the water. Oh, I just love this image. It's just so pretty. I really like it, and it looks so gentle and sophisticated. I'm a big fan of that. And so some information about the painting is HL088 and is a 30 by 40. It is 19 colors. And for the legend, they're all capital letters. Oh, thank goodness. No random numbers or symbols anywhere. Excuse me. And yeah, I really like this one. I really love that it's really pastel and light, and I'm a big fan of those colors and paintings that you've all probably seen in my previous TEMU haul videos. I love pastels, and I think that's why this painting won me over. Ooh, I really like that. And for this one as well, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it a little clearly. A nice cello and flowers is their style as well. And put it aside real quick. And it's the last painting. So I've probably said it and I'll probably say it again in previous videos. I love windmills. I love a lot of things. Probably all. Figured it out. I love a lot of things. And I love windmills. I just love I don't know what it is. I love the shape of them. I love watching whenever they're turning with the wind. And these are not wind turbines, which are usually there you have a engine that kind of assists the turbines to move, but original windmills did not. They were, made of wood and all of that, and it would help the wind would actually cause them to move. I'm a big fan of those. I've never seen one in person, but I've seen videos of them, and I'm a big fan of it. Same thing, standard kit. As I said, they always find you. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I haven't gotten one of these in a long time. What I mean is, you probably see they're all little packets. As you can see they're all real small. I have no problems with these. I actually like these. I like kitting up these small ones. I have no idea why. For me, I find them fun. I cut them and, organize them into whatever storage unit I'm going to use to paint. The only problem I have with it is a lot of plastic that's left over, but I've probably said before, I try to recycle all the plastic that's left whenever I do kit ups. So I have no problems with that. I just kind of wish it wasn't so much plastic. I'm catching something kind of trippy, and that's why I keep spinning it. As you can see, probably 950. The blue is kind of metallic and reflective. Let me see if I can kind of focus that. I've never seen that before. It's like fancy ink for for the number. That is really neat. I'll have to research that because I don't know if there's a significance for it. Maybe it's, I don't know, if you see it printed that way, the diamonds are higher quality. Something like that. I'll have to look that up because I have never seen that before. And they're not all, oh no, they all are like that. Huh. I kind of want to kit this one out just out of curiosity. And apologies, I love the colors too. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of purple, whole bunch of blues. I love that really dark blue here. I'm a big fan of it. You can see all the ones in the middle. I really like this one. And I love those light blues. In a heartbeat, those are the first colors I saw. Oh, I really love the colors of this one. And the painting is a windmill. So I fell in love with this painting I saw the fields of the flower, which is the purple, beautiful blue sky, and the windmill. This painting, and you'll probably see it once I put the clearer image later, it's in a drawn style, meaning to me, I see it as an anime style. So I fell in love when I saw this one. And it was the best of both worlds, windmills and anime, and pastel. What can go wrong with that? And I just fell in love with it. And I love the windmill. It's just so cute. It's just a little windmill in the field of flowers. I love the sky. The sky is so, so nice. And I love the clouds. And now I'm looking at this painting a little more, in person. It's really clear, especially the drill field. Anything that's light, it's a darker tone. Anything that's dark, they do put in a lighter tone. One thing I'm kind of catching is some of them do have a lighter background. And now bring it up a little closer. You can see here some of the dark tones have a whiter background. Huh, that's interesting. I hadn't caught that. I don't mind it though. I put the diamond right, I'm not going to see it. So I don't have issues with that, but this is so pretty and I really kind of want to start on it. But I really need to finish all my other paintings, or at least finish 2 more, and then I'll start one of these. And it's 30 by 40, so it shouldn't take me long. It's not as big as my other ones that I'm currently working on. A majority of them are probably around almost 60, 80, so they're bigger paintings. So if I can at least get 2 of those finished, I'll probably kit up this one, because it's so pretty, and I really love how it looks. Sorry, I got real distracted. Some information about the painting. It is CF 8026 and it is 30 by 40 and is 18 colors, and the legend is from the numbers 1 through 8 are numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and from 9 to 18 they're all capital letters. And yeah, there's no symbols or anything. I kind of like that. It's funny because I'm looking at it from 9 to 10 is A to C. There's no B. So I was looking at it, I was like, what happened to B? Nah, that's no problem at all. And they're all in order, pretty much. They're just missing letters in between. Oh my goodness, I just really love this one. Oh, it's so pretty. And there's actually a little railing here, you can see it. Which kind of is pretty neat that they added that. To, if you're walking through the field and you have to go to the windmill, you have your railing to help you out. I really like that. I really love this. I'm going to say it over and over, my apologies. And just in case, I'll put a clear image here in the middle of the screen so you can see a little more clearly. If a nice drawn windmill with the wonderful flowers is your style as well. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I'm just hoping I can get my large Temu order, and so I can make sure to show you all a lot of these, more of these paintings. I do have a couple of them, and I have one painting that's really, really large that I purchased by accident. Fell in love with the image. I didn't see the size. That's usually my thing. So I'll probably do a video for that one later on in the month, just because I really love the image of that one. It's just a really large painting, and I know I'm not going to work on it anytime soon. And yeah, as I said, that's all I wanted to show today. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps the channel be put out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all these wonderful paintings that we all love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.